Guys, this is 2006 Renault Kangoo. So this car had a problem is I changed the transmission fluid. So then after that I check it, there's something in the leak in the down. So you can see in here, okay, the transmission fluid on the over the floor. So I saw that in here, this area is all wet, and you can see in here, and this part is leaking. The corner is the oil. So you can see this module, you can clean it in the edge. Okay, you can see the one drops coming. So I found this is they have some nut in this one, is loose. So you can tight. You see is a loose in here. So get off the dust nut. Okay, you can see pouring oil. Okay guys, you can see the now in here it's going oil cooler. There's two O-rings in here. It's leaking in here. So I'm going to put the elastic on that rubber thing, and here the side of the surface. So first I'm cleaning with my brake cleaner. Okay guys, I applied the little bit elastic on the top O-ring. So then I have to put back the nut, this one. Put the line up. Okay guys, we tied the nut. So I'm using for that one 30mm socket. So now I tied that 30mm nut. Okay guys, can you see now? No any transmission leak, all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.